That's what we get paid to do, to pull people over.
You don't get paid to be
You don't either, okay? I don't got to put up with your okay? I asked you a simple question.
Windows frozen.
Okay, what's up? Deputy Noah with the sheriff's office. Let me get your driver's license ready. Hold that dog.
Allie, get back. Can I ask why you're a little snippy? What's the problem is?
What's the problem?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're following too closely. Can't you see the roads are icy? You see me slowing down and you're still coming up behind me. There's no reason for you to be doing that.
Brakes in the ice either.
It's not good. Don't tell me how I should be driving. Okay, I'm in a marked. All right, well, I'm in a. That doesn't give you the right to follow a marked patrol car close like that. What if I had to stop? I know there is ice there. That's why I was cruising, so I don't slip.
Both, really.
There's no reason for you to be that close behind a marked patrol car. Okay, when you find that, stay in the vehicle, your registration and insurance. I'll be back. Okay, alright, you're getting a citation, so go ahead and close your door.
Stop behind cops when they pull people over?
I ain't stopped right
Okay, you don't need to be here.
I ain't
You don't need
right
to be
behind
here,
him,
okay?
sir.
You need to go.
No, I don't. I'm waiting on my son. He's my ride back to Wilson.
Leave. Leave. That's the car. Stay. Hey!
You see it? Are you recording?
Yeah, we're recording it.
Yes.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
I ain't doing anything.
Okay. Now you're on a traffic stop and you're trying to drive away?
Get out the car!
Call State Patrol.
Get out the fuck!
It has nothing to do with anything.
And they don't have jurisdiction over it. Get out of the car. No, I got my son.
Give a shit. Put it in the car.
I just did.
Seatbelt is off.
You know,
Don't pull away from me.
I'm not.
You're going to get lit up.
I'm not.
Okay, you're going to get
You're
lit up.
breaking my arm, man. Hold on, I'm gonna get out.
Get out the fuck! Get out the car!
Can you hold on? I'm not.
Get out the car, man!
I'm
Get
trying.
back over there now.
I'm trying. You stay there and record. Ow. Can you guys
Get out.
Hold on.
Now.
I'm getting out. I'm not fucking.
You're under arrest.
I'm not.
Get out. Turn around and face the truck. You're under arrest.
Get out.
Okay, guys.
Put your hands behind your
Settle
back.
down.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your
I'm going. I'm going.
Put your hands.
I'm going peacefully, son. Settle down. What's going on here? God damn, I just...
Get the fuck back! Get back!
Hey, he's recording this case.
That's fine. He can record all he wants.
This is fucking crazy, guys. God damn.
I got
You guys
You do what you're told, all right? You think it's okay just to roll up on traffic stop
no,
and
I'm
not do what you're
not-
told? Now you go to jail.
That's all right. I'm a
Turn around and face the truck.
I'm already cuffed, man. You guys not listening. If you listen, you want to get manhandled.
Now let's
Don't
go.
move.
Let's go.
That's great. I'm giving you a whole
Put your ass in there.
You need to settle down.
Get in the car! Get in the car!
Get in when you motherfucker.
Get in the fucking car!
You know, this is fucking ridiculous.
SC4, taser deployed.
God damn, I don't fucking fit. Fuck.
That's before taser deploy at 1 mil.
Get back over there now!
Where is he from?
Walsenburg.
No, I'm saying like.
So he was my stuff.
That's the original time.
And then this idiot decided to come up behind me.
That's before. Clear plate. Go ahead and clear that party.
What you did first?
No, I'm fucking good. So, that's my original stop. He fucking rolls up behind me and he starts giving Henry lip. Walk back here. Henry tells him to leave. He's like, he's not leaving. So I say, leave. So then I try to tell him to stop. He fucking punches the car while I'm holding on to the car.
Okay.
Put him at gunpoint. Okay. So he backs up.
Hurt or nothing?
Nah, I just fucked up my hand.
Get out now! Get out!
Can you fucking
Now!
Get out the car.
Okay? This is how it's gonna work. Okay? You're gonna do what you're told to do, and that's it.
Stand up.
Stand up. Up against the car. Spread your feet.
Come on, guys, this is excessive. Come on, man.
I got his wallet.
This is ridiculous.
Well, quit acting like an idiot.
I ain't acting like nothing. I got a piece in my fuck. You guys got me right in the goddamn face.
That's far. Go ahead and roll Matt to a location.
Fuck. Doing
Knock it
everything
off.
on our guts, guys.
Lean up against the car.
Jesus Christ.
Deal is going to be 2-1 of 75. All on if needed.
I'm not doing a fucking thing. Jesus, I thought you guys were fucking good, man. I stopped behind my fucking phone.
That's before also know that this party pulled up on my stop and he started getting to with Lincoln said he was advised to leave, and then when he told him not to leave now because it becomes his stop too, he decides to step on the gas while I was holding onto the vehicle. For taser deployment.
Well, what do you want done with your original guy?
He's gonna get a citation. He's staying there. That's my original stop.
Okay. What do you want from us? What can we do to help?
We should be good.
Okay.
I got Med coming to check him out.
Okay. All right. If you guys are good with us.
All right.
Yeah, you guys are good with us.
Questions are being raised about a local deputy's own criminal history. It's part of a lawsuit against both the Los Animas County Sheriff's Office and one of its lieutenants. News 5's Maggie Bryan joins us in studio to explain. Maggie.
Robin Diane, the man filing the lawsuit was tased in the face by Lieutenant Henry Trujillo with the Los Animas County Sheriff's Office. The man's attorney says the deputy should have never been on the force because of his prior criminal history. Kenneth Espinoza's attorney says his client and the man's son were driving in separate trucks when his son was pulled over by a Los Animas County Sheriff's deputy back in November. Espinoza pulled over too.
Do you need to be behind this traffic stop?
Yeah, I do.
Why?
It's my son right there.
We just don't like when people pull in behind us.
In this body camera video we received from the man's attorney, Lieutenant Henry Trujillo orders him to leave.
You need to leave now or you're going to get charged. It's that easy. You need to go.
No, I don't. I'm waiting on my son.
All right.
The man refuses, but moments later starts backing up in his truck while deputies are seen pointing weapons at him.
Now, put your hands behind your back.
Lieutenant Trujillo tases him in the face as he's handcuffed while he and another deputy try to get him into the car. The DA's office has dropped all charges, including resisting arrest and assaulting a peace officer.
Absolutely no criminal or traffic infractions here whatsoever.
Now his attorney is filing a civil lawsuit against the sheriff's office and Lieutenant Trujillo.
These guys don't need badges anymore.
He says Trujillo should have never been on the force because of his criminal history. We confirm Trujillo was charged with felony menacing with a weapon, which he pleaded down to misdemeanor disorderly conduct in 1997. The next year, he was convicted of misdemeanor harassment. A harassment conviction would disqualify someone from getting that kind of certification.
Absolutely, it's right in the statute.
All peace officers in Colorado need a post-certification, which according to the state cannot be obtained with a conviction of that kind. Multiple restraining orders have been filed against Trujillo, including in 2006 for a domestic abuse incident that the attorney says made it illegal for him to have firearms, and another in 2007 for stalking and physical assault or threat. The attorney says Trujillo was forced to resign by the sheriff's office because of a conviction in 2009 that is now sealed. He was later rehired and in 2018 promoted to Lieutenant of Patrol Operations.
He's the third in command. He's the top-ranking patrol deputy in that department.
On Tuesday, the Los Animas County Sheriff sent a news release saying he's asked for help from an outside agency to review the actions of his deputies. He says the lieutenant is still on active duty.
A southern Colorado man is getting more than $1 million as part of a use of force lawsuit. The case is against two Los Animas County Sheriff's deputies who tased the man during an arrest. KRDO 13's Tyler Cunnington joins us live in studio as he follows this developing news and details of the settlement. Tyler.
Yeah, Heather, before we get to the story, a warning. Some of this body camera footage might be tough to watch. That video shows Kenneth Espinoza being tased numerous times, both in his body and his face, before being further assaulted by Los Animas County Sheriff's deputies. Now, in the time since, those deputies have been fired, and Espinoza has now been paid $1.5 million in settlement money. The attorney says those two deputies had been involved in another lawsuit that had just settled 12 days prior to that incident in Trinidad. They have now been both fired from the agency as of September of 2023. Reporting live here in studio, Tyler Cunnington, KRDO 13.